Understand and lie in golf the position of the ball and its importance. In golf, the term lie refers to the position of the golf ball as it rests on the course. It's a critical aspect of the game that can determine the strategy, difficulty, and execution of your next shot. But what exactly does the term lie encompass, and why is it so important to golfers? Let's explore the concept, its history, and its significance in shaping the outcome of a round. What is a lie in golf? At its core, a lie describes the exact spot and condition where your golf ball comes to rest after a shot. Lies can vary significantly depending on the terrain, the type of grass, and other environmental factors. A ball's lie directly influences how you approach your next swing, dictating the club you use, your stance, and the technique required to make the shot successful. History of the lie concept. The term lie has been part of golf's vocabulary since the early days of the sport, originating in Scotland. The word referred to how the ball lays on the natural terrain of the course. In golf's infancy, courses were often untamed landscapes, and players had to contend with unpredictable lies on rough, uneven ground. As the game evolved and courses became more manicured, the concept of the lie grew more nuanced. Designers began incorporating roughs, hazards, and uneven terrain to test a golfer's skill and adapting to different lies. Today, understanding and managing your ball's lie is a fundamental part of the game. Fun facts about lies. The term fried egg for a plucked lie in a bunker is derived from the way the ball's partial burial resembles a sunny side up egg. Professional golfers spend hours practicing difficult lies to prepare for tournament conditions. Some courses are famous for their challenging lies, such as the deep rough at the US Open or the sandy terrain of links courses. The spirit of lies in golf. A ball's lie represents the ever-changing nature of golf. No two shots are the same, and lies challenge players to adapt and think critically from a pristine fairway lie to a tricky spot in the rough. Managing lies is a skill that separates great golfers from the rest. Conclusion. The lie of a golf ball is more than just its resting place. It's a key element that shapes your game, strategy, and success. Understanding the nuances of different lies, from good to bad, tight to fluffy, empowers golfers to make smarter decisions and improve their performance. Whether you're navigating the rough or enjoying a perfect fairway shot, mastering the art of playing the lie is an essential part of the sport's enduring challenge and appeal. So next time you step onto the course, take a moment to assess your ball's lie and embrace the unique journey that each shot presents.